So we're going to take you through Linux app deployments. So the very first type we're going to do is when we're leveraging apt to pull the app and deploy it. So why don't we go through that? So I got my little base here. I'm going to go ahead and do a copy, and we're going to call this FileZilla. This is my one of two ways in which you might grab apps. So we're going to do FileZilla custom config. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to do an execute. So we're going to do our execute to do our get apt update. That's the first part. Then the second part, we're going to get rid of that. We're going to do another execute. Let's call this apt install FileZilla. And let's just put this in here. And it says apt get install FileZilla. Now, sometimes the root manifest we might not be sure on, but we'll come back and look at that after. So we have this, and now what we're going to do is we're going to do a deploy. And now that we've done our deploy, let's go check out our Linux box. Now we're back on our Linux machine. We're just going to log in real quick and see how everything went. We'll close our little terminal window there, and let's see if FileZilla actually came down. You're going to see as I've come back into my machine that we now have FileZilla here uninstalled. Now we did have to make some changes to the code, and this is kind of the learning process of working on these, and I'll just show this to you real quick just so you can see, because it's really interesting seeing how you unwrap this. So you can see here I changed my code a little bit here. I changed my app update code so it looks pretty solid, and I'm using the package command which requires app update first, ensure installed, and with that is the code that allows you to deploy FileZilla. This is one way you can do it leveraging apt. Next time I'm going to show you about how you can do it off of an actual package that can go out and download.